I always thought that urban legends were fairy tales. But 2 years ago, I attended Leafmore High, an old and respected educational institution that was run by the Friedman brothers, Leonard and Herbert, twin brothers that had specialized in experimental botany. Life was beautiful then, and I remember so many good times with my friends Ashley, Josh, Kenny, and Shannon, until Herbert Friedman decided to use the students as guinea pigs for an experiment that would save the life of his diseased brother Leonard. All of us were infected with mutated spores that Friedman released into the air. To survive, we had to kill our teachers. After that night, I did a lot of bad stuff and ended up in prison. But I served my time without protesting. I'm out now, and I just want to forget about Leafmore and everything that happened there.
We have to get a move on, May. We're gonna miss the drinks at Sven's.
Okay, I'm coming with you.
Give me my camera!
We'll get you the tape later, man.
I don't want to see you on it. Open up, piece of crap. I'm gonna kill that bastard! He's blocked the door! That bastard has blocked the door! I have to go now, sorry. Geronimo! Sven's room's around here.
We're in for quite an evening. It's gonna be great.
Come in, come in.
Here, smell this. It'll melt your nostrils.
Wow, what's in there?
Everyone on campus has been making tea with this flower for a month. It's time we tried it.
Hey, neighbors.
Hey!
Kenny, what are you doing?
Great, my sister.
Come over here now.
See y'all at the party.
Weird family.
Do you think they'll let us into the Delta Theta Gamma party? It's really exclusive.
If you're with me, it won't be an issue.
Crap. What the hell am I doing here? May? May, what's going on?
I don't know. What is that place?
Sven had better not be playing tricks on us. Here lies Corey Wilde, who lived in anger and died because of it. Who wrote this crap? Huh? Who?
Here lies May Wang, who only loved her sister because it was like looking in a mirror? Not true! I love her as a person. Don't hurt me! No! Hey, let her go!
Hey, you! Stop! Hey! Crap! Come on, you jerk! Let her go! You're gonna deal with me!
We gotta do something. Something's coming. Can you feel it?
Go again.
But what's going on?
Where is the other half of me?
I'm here, June! June!
I need the other half of me. He desires me, Sven. Oh, they all want me.
No. Corey, you bastard. Stop, Sven! Just stop!
Look at me. See how satisfied I am. Oh, pleasure has opened petals inside my body. A new flower will blossom, and it will be the one that men will not be able to
That wasn't supposed to happen. May! No! May! Oh, my head feels like it's gonna explode. Oh, that's much better. That's much better. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I hope that May is okay. That nightmare was really horrible. That's why I like living in a student dorm. Okay, I'll be going there.
Get lost, you jerk!
Oops, sorry.
Get out of here, I'll call my boyfriend. Oh, it's you. Ah, my head.
Here, drink this. It worked for me. We're already late for the Delta Theta Gamma party. Will your sister come with us?
Oh, leave her. She's exhausted.
I hope there'll be some cute guys there.
Right. What about me then?
You're not a guy, Kenny. You're a friend.
No comment.
We're gonna have a hard time getting in without the twins. They know some guys from the Brotherhood, unlike us.
Don't worry, I'm on it. If you fancy a drink, I took a leak in the corner earlier. Get lost and take your bimbo with you. Get lost and take your bimbo with you. Get your quarterback to run along now. I don't want to see you here again. Get your quarterback to run along now. I don't want to see you here again. Maybe this'll change that bouncer's mind.
Don't be a pain, Kenny. We're in. It's cool.
So he lit the match and held it near his pants. Dude, the smell, the explosion, it was awesome. It was total crap, dude. Yup, everywhere. Stupid bimbo. I offer a little kissing action, and she doesn't want it. Maybe you shouldn't have thrown up on her in the first place, dude. So what? What do I have to do then? Come on, dude. Let's have another drink. Yeah, let's go to her. Let's go, man. Her friend's not bad, actually. I think I can have her. No problem. We must be able to get in from up there.
That we've come to this. Having to climb up on the roof to get to a party.
All these glasses. Looks like someone got a head start.
Look, they forgot their dirty magazines.
So, rich kids are human beings after all.
I think I need Kenny for this.
What is this mess?
Well, people had fun.
But
What a strange little key. What are all these engravings? They're hiding something.
I'm hurt and they've killed my boyfriend. It will soon be your turn. Take the gun in the billiards room. They're killing each other. The gun is in the safe in the games room. The code for the safe must be hidden somewhere in the corner. What a nightmare! What a nightmare! They're going to take us, just like the others. My head is spinning. Blasted flower. I shouldn't have inhaled it.
there it is. Now that I like. So I won't be shooting my load tonight then, huh?
You just save your ammunition for later.
Wow, that thing blew my mind.
My head is spinning.